Here's a 2015 Chrysler 300. No other full-size sedan sets you apart from the pack like this 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, keyless enter and go, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.